I'm gonna do a copycat version of Starbucks banana nut bread today. First, you're gonna need 3 ripe bananas. I ripen mine on the countertop, then I'll place them in the freezer for at least 1 day. Take them out, let them thaw in the sink where they do not make a mess, and then you add them to your bowl. Cut off the ends of them and just squeeze them out of the bowl. They're gonna be liquidy and kind of gross like this. I'm doing a double batch today, which will make a huge banana nut bread like this.
Oops.
Oh no!
That's what my 2 girls eat for breakfast every morning before school. So let's get started. I'm going to give you the measurements for a regular 9 by 12 loaf. I'm going to be doing double amount. So I know it looks like I'm putting more in there because I am, but I'm giving you the measurements to make a regular size one. So you need 3 regular medium-sized bananas. You need 1 stick of butter. It's unsalted butter. And it's softened. Again, I'm doing a double batch, so don't mind me. Okay, you're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, need 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix that up a little bit. Don't want to do it with a spoon, you can do it with a mixer. Okay, once you got that mixed up just a little bit, you want to do 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix all this up real good. Might want to take a fork and press down just to make sure your bananas are not too big. Okay, let's start adding in our flour. You're going to add 1½ cups of flour, just a little at a time. Okay, now that you got that all stirred up, you're gonna add 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or any kind of nuts that you would like. Just put mine in this little food processor and chop it up. And then just dump it in. Give it a little stir. You can add more or less, whatever you like. And then we're gonna add a few to the top. Okay, now that we got it all mixed up, we're gonna pour it in our pan. This is not gonna work for that. Because this is the bread pan and it's not gonna happen. Because it has holes in the bottom and I'm a stupid moron. Okay, now that we got it all mixed up, let's put it in our pans. I just got butter flavor. We're gonna spray our pans. And remember, I'm making 2 loaves, so I have extra. But it would look like this. Plop it down on the counter to get all the bubbles out. And then you can add a few of whichever nuts that you decided to use on top. And this is gonna go in the oven for 60 to 75 minutes at 350. So let's put this in the oven and see how it turns out. So our banana nut bread is out of the oven. I cooked it for 70 minutes. I checked it halfway through and put aluminum foil on top. I usually put the aluminum foil on before, but I forgot all about it. Just put your aluminum foil on before you start baking them if you like yours a little bit lighter. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy your banana bread. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how your banana bread turned out, and we'll see you next time.